Have you ever wondered about the world of grasshoppers? These fascinating creatures are much more than just insects that hop around in the grass. Grasshoppers, belonging to the order Orthoptera, are agile and versatile, capable of inhabiting various environments around the globe. From lush grasslands to meadows kissed by the morning sun, grasshoppers make the world their playground. They come in all sizes and colors, each species unique in its own way. Now, let's talk about what makes them stand out. Look at their large hind legs, power-packed for those impressive leaps, and don't miss their powerful mandibles, purpose-built for feasting on a wide array of plant species. But it's not just about jumping around and munching on greens. Grasshoppers play significant roles in our ecosystems as herbivores, pollinators, and prey for other animals. They are integral parts of the circle of life, contributing to the balance and health of our natural world. Grasshoppers are not your ordinary insects. Their anatomy and adaptations make them unique and resilient. Like a well-oiled machine, each part of a grasshopper's body serves a specific purpose, contributing to their survival in diverse environments. Let's start with the hind legs. They're like the springs on a pogo stick, coiled and ready to release. These powerful limbs are the grasshopper's primary mode of transportation, enabling them to cover large distances in a single leap. The muscular thighs store energy, which is released in a swift, forceful jump, propelling the grasshopper into the air. This ability to jump high and far is a key survival adaptation, offering a quick escape route from predators. Moving up from the legs, we come to the antennae. These slender, hair-like structures jutting out from the head are the grasshopper's sensory lifelines. They're like built-in radar systems, picking up vibrations and chemical signals from the environment. This allows grasshoppers to detect predators, locate food, and even find mates. The antennae are not just sensory tools, they also play a crucial role in communication amongst these insects. Now let's talk about the grasshopper's mouthparts. Equipped with powerful mandibles, grasshoppers can devour a wide variety of plant material. They're like nature's little lawnmowers, trimming down vegetation as they feed. This herbivorous diet is central to their role in the ecosystem, as they help control plant populations and contribute to nutrient cycling. From their powerful hind legs to their sensitive antennae and robust mandibles, every aspect of a grasshopper's anatomy is a testament to nature's ingenuity. These insects are perfectly adapted to their way of life, equipped with the tools they need to thrive in their respective environments. These anatomical features not only make them fascinating creatures, but also versatile survivors in various environments. The world of grasshoppers is a marvel of adaptability and survival, a testament to the power of evolution and the intricate balance of life on Earth. Ever heard a grasshopper song? It's not just music to our ears, but a form of communication for these insects. This melody you hear, it's a product of a unique technique called stridulation. Stridulation is the act of producing sound by rubbing together certain body parts. For grasshoppers, it's usually the wings or legs that they rub together to create these distinctive tunes. Each chirp, buzz, or click you hear is a grasshopper's way of saying something. It's like a secret language, understood only by its own kind. And what's fascinating is that these songs vary greatly among species. Just like humans have different languages and dialects, so do grasshoppers. Some may have a high-pitched chirp, while others may have a soft, melodious tune. Each song, each note, each rhythm is unique to the species and individual. But why do they sing, you may wonder? Well, these songs serve a multitude of purposes. For one, they're used to attract mates. A male grasshopper's song can travel great distances, reaching the antennae of a potential female partner. It's a serenade, an invitation for courtship. And when a female grasshopper is interested, she'll respond with her own unique song, creating a duet of love in the grasslands. Grasshoppers also use their songs to establish territory. A strong, loud song can deter other males from encroaching on a grasshopper's space. It's a way of saying, "This is my turf, stay away." However, it's not just about courtship and territory. Grasshoppers also use stridulation for communication. They may alert each other of approaching predators or changes in their environment. It's a form of survival, a way of ensuring their species continues to thrive. Indeed, a grasshopper song is a unique language in the insect world, filled with meaning and purpose. The next time you hear a grasshopper's tune, remember it's not just a song but a conversation, a love letter, a warning, and a testament to the fascinating world of these remarkable insects. Grasshoppers are not just inhabitants of the grasslands, they are crucial contributors to the ecosystem. These ubiquitous insects are key players in the ecological theater of the grasslands, acting out roles that are essential for maintaining the health and diversity of these habitats. Grasshoppers are essentially nature's lawnmowers. They clip away at the grasslands, feeding on a wide array of plant species. This grazing activity helps regulate plant populations, preventing any one species from dominating and thus promoting biodiversity. By keeping the vegetation in check, grasshoppers contribute to the maintenance of a balanced and diverse ecosystem. Moreover, these insects play a significant role in nutrient cycling. As they consume plant matter, they convert it into a form that is easier for other organisms to utilize. When grasshoppers excrete waste, they return vital nutrients back to the soil, enriching it and promoting plant growth. This process is a key aspect of the nutrient cycle, ensuring that essential elements like nitrogen and phosphorus are available for future generations of plants. But the ecological influence of grasshoppers extends beyond just plants. These insects are a vital part of the food chain, serving as a rich source of protein for various predators. Birds, reptiles, mammals, and even other insects rely on grasshoppers for nourishment. By providing a crucial link between plants and higher trophic levels, grasshoppers contribute to the overall stability of the ecosystem. However, the role of grasshoppers is not limited to the terrestrial realm. Some species of grasshoppers are semi-aquatic, living in and around freshwater habitats. Here, they play a similar role, grazing on aquatic plants and serving as a food source for a variety of water-dwelling creatures. While they may be small, grasshoppers have a big impact on the health and diversity of our grassland ecosystems. So, the next time you see a grasshopper hopping through the grass, take a moment to appreciate its vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Grasshoppers and agriculture have a complex relationship. While they play an important ecological role, they can also become pests in agricultural settings. The same grasshoppers that enhance biodiversity and take part in nutrient cycling in natural grasslands can pose significant challenges for farmers when their populations become too large. When grasshoppers descend on agricultural fields in large numbers, they can cause extensive damage to crops, particularly cereals and vegetables. This can result in significant economic losses and threaten food security, especially in regions where farming is the primary livelihood. But it's not all gloom and doom. Farmers have developed a range of strategies to manage grasshopper populations and minimize crop damage. Integrated pest management strategies, or IPMs, are among the most effective. These strategies combine several methods to control pests and enhance crop health, while minimizing harm to the environment. One such method within IPMs is crop rotation. By changing the types of crops grown in a field each year, farmers can disrupt the life cycle of grasshoppers and prevent them from establishing large, stable populations. Biological control is another method. This involves introducing natural enemies of grasshoppers, such as certain types of birds, amphibians, and insects, into the agricultural landscape. These predators can help keep grasshopper populations in check. Targeted use of insecticides is also a part of IPMs. However, this method should be used sparingly and strategically to avoid harming non-target species and to prevent grasshoppers from developing resistance. But managing grasshoppers in agricultural settings is not just about controlling their numbers. It's also about understanding their behavior, their life cycles, and their ecological roles. Research and monitoring are crucial to inform management strategies and ensure their effectiveness. Balancing the ecological roles of grasshoppers with the need to protect agricultural productivity is a challenge that requires innovative solutions. And as we continue to learn more about these remarkable creatures, we can develop more effective, sustainable strategies to maintain this delicate balance. Our environment is a shared responsibility, and that includes ensuring the survival and thriving of grasshoppers. Conservation efforts for these hopping inhabitants of our grasslands come in various forms. Habitat preservation, for instance, ensures grasshoppers have ample space to live, feed, and reproduce. Sustainable land management practices, on the other hand, strike a delicate balance between agricultural needs and the ecological significance of grasshoppers. They involve techniques that help maintain the health of the soil, enhance biodiversity, and mitigate the impact of farming on these insects. Moreover, promoting the natural predators of grasshoppers, such as birds and reptiles, forms an integral part of the conservation strategy. These predators help keep grasshopper populations in check, maintaining a healthy balance within the ecosystem. By understanding and respecting the role of grasshoppers in our ecosystem, we can work together to ensure the health and diversity of our grasslands for future generations.